How to create lambda expressions? So lambda create expressions, we use the lambda keyword. So whenever you have any functions, objects that you wanted to change, then you have to create the lambda to return the arguments. So like this lambda keywords we use when functions wants to return the sum of its arguments. Like suppose you have a lambda lambda ab a comma b, and then you want to return a plus b, then you want to return a plus b, then you have to use as a lambda. So to use the lambda, whenever the functions objects are required, then we need to use lambda. For example, like you have a defined some functions def make, like make incrementer some function. If you take incrementer incrementer of n, suppose we have an object n, and then we want to uh, return the n object with the n object increment or decrement or any sum, then we use the lambda. So let's return the um, return return we will write lambda, and then you have to write x such that x plus n, because I want to return x plus n. Here we go, x plus n. So this is how we write the lambda expressions. And now see the result. Suppose we want to return the sum, then we use the lambda expressions. So this is how the answer will come. Now you need to call it the function. So when you call the functions is equal to make incrementer. So we will write make incrementer main incrementer, and suppose you give the value of 23. So this will return f of 0, f of 0, then it will be 23. Like you are taking the first index 23, and if you are increasing like f0 instead of f1, so if you are calling like f1, then it will be increment 23 plus 21 24. So it's all about we are like first we to you lambda purpose is to you wanted to functions object, you wanted to change it. So like suppose you want to take a sum, so then we use the lambda, and then we change it as f is equal to let's suppose f is the my functions, f is equal to make incrementer, and you are taking the object like 23, n is 23. So then if you are taking the first item, it will be returned the 23, and the next item, then it will be in get increment 23 plus 1, because x is x plus n, it becomes in the second time, so it became 24. So like that you have to use the lambda expressions. And we can use we can use in a sorting also lambda expression. So let's see how we use in for sorting. So suppose you have a pairs of a list. um, List we are making like array like 1, and this means one, and next we are taking the 2. So for 2 means it will be going TWO2, and so on, 3 4, you can keep on writing how much you want. I am not making too much, I am just trying to make you understanding. So suppose this is the pairs. Now you wanted to say sort it pairs. So pairs dot sort. So it will be sort, and then you have to put it key is equal to lambda, like for it is used for 3 or 4 list mm, item in the list. So key is equal to take lambda uh, lambda pair, and then it will become a of one pair of one, and close bracket, and then you write the pairs, then it will be sorted out right now. So see, in a sort form 1 2 it gave, and even though if you write in a 3 4 or in a list, you can put order and order, it will sort it out. So this is the way you have to use the lambda to sort it out. The key is equal to lambda, and then you can write the another object pair, and pairs one, so it will take the pairs. After that you can sort it, and it will come like a 1 2 in a sorted form. That's it for lambda.